In a world where accidents are an unfortunate reality, millions of individuals are affected by burn injuries every year. With around 7 lakh admissions in India, the need for effective treatment is paramount. Tragically, many of these cases result in fatalities or lifelong disabilities, leaving individuals and families grappling with the aftermath. Kitchen accidents are the most common mode of injury, followed by electrical burns. Burns account for 5 to 10% of combat casualties. The burn injuries sustained by soldiers are the result of domestic fire accidents, as well as fires in high-altitude regions, cookhouses, and electrical burns. Amid the tragedy of burn injuries, there is a beacon of hope: skin banks. These specialized facilities play a crucial role in the treatment and recovery of burn victims. The Skin Bank at Army Hospital, R&R, in New Delhi, is the first of its kind in the armed forces.
Skin banks adhere to international protocols to collect and store skin from eligible donors at temperatures between 4 to 6 degrees Celsius for up to 5 years. The skin, being the largest organ, can be donated, making individuals skin donors similar to eye donors. However, there is a substantial gap between the supply and demand of skin donors. According to the National Burns Center in Mumbai, hospitals there require 167 skin donors per month but only receive approximately 25 donors, highlighting the significant shortfall. It is evident that widespread education is necessary to promote skin donation. Within the confines of the AHRR Hospital's B wing, on the 3rd floor, the skin bank is conveniently located adjacent to the burn center. The sequence of events commences once the transplant coordinator notifies the department of a skin donation. In response, the Department of Plastic Surgery swiftly mobilizes its team to undertake the harvesting and processing of the donated skin. Upon receiving donated skin, the skilled technicians in skin banks embark on a rigorous process to prepare it for its intended purpose. The tissue is meticulously inspected for any imperfections or signs of disease. Through a series of intricate steps, the skin is then carefully cleaned, treated with specialized solutions, and sterilized to eliminate any potential contaminants. Under strict storage conditions, skin tissue deemed suitable for transplantation is carefully preserved in specialized containers at temperatures ranging from 4 to 6 degrees Celsius and immersed in 85% glycerol. This method allows the skin to be stored for up to 5 years, ensuring its availability when required for skin graft procedures. When the need arises, skin grafts from skin banks are meticulously selected based on factors such as the patient's skin type, the size and location of the wound, and the overall health of the recipient. The retrieved skin tissue is carefully washed and prepared for transplantation by plastic surgeons. To prevent life-threatening infections in patients with extensive burn injuries, prompt skin coverage is crucial. A reliable source of skin coverage is the skin bank at AHRR. Prompt skin graft not only aids in infection prevention but also alleviates pain, decreases fluid and electrolyte loss, and ultimately enhances chances of survival. With the noble act of skin donation and the tireless efforts of professionals working in skin banks, we have the incredible opportunity to make a positive impact on countless lives. It is through our collective efforts that we can nurture the Skin of Hope program. By doing so, we can not only support our serving soldiers but also their families who have endured the unimaginable pain of burn injuries. Let us come together and make a meaningful difference in the lives of those who need it most.